Good morning. Today is December 11th, 2019. This is Math 8, and we're starting our final exam review. You will take your final next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Today, we're going to do a geometry review. What you're going to look at, these next 15 questions, are incredibly similar to the 15 questions you will see on the final, on half of the final. The final is broken into two parts. Part 1 is geometry, part 2 is equations and expressions. So today we're going to do geometry. What I'd like you to do is in your notebook, do question number 1, 2, 3, just like a normal Kahoot. I will not be checking your answers. I will come around and help you if you have questions. And then after a question, I will give more information also. So that's why I'm live streaming this one, because I will be going over a lot more than normal. Cool. So start with question number 1, and then do question number 2, and then keep going and going and going. If you have questions, raise your hand. Yes? I will come by and help you. Let me pull up number 1 over here. Question number 1?
Yeah.
Question number 1? You want help?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, is that the first question?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You would reflect across the y-axis and move it down.
So for my live stream audience, make sure you're looking at the letters here. That B has to match up with that B prime.
Y-axis and move down 5.
Okay, keep going. Do question 1, 2, 3. Just keep going.
B.
What's square?
B.
5.
Yeah.
What's 12 squared? You need a calculator. Add together, and then put the root. Square, square, add. There you go.
Oh, that would be. Is it easy? Wait, 12 times 5. No. Oh wait, no, it's square root. Look at my finger. Oh, it would be C because it's a because you can't square that. Well, you can square it, but it would be C. You don't square 5. You 5 square. Square, square. So 5 square. No.
Gianna,
Look at
what do you mean
it.
by that? It's like 5 times 5. That's like square.
25, and then you do that, and then it's 169, and then you divide it by.
Divide by.
I mean,
square root.
yeah.
Take it down.
I already know what that is. So wait, how did you get it? So 1 to the second power is 144 plus 25. Like, so the second power is just times itself, right? You need to get graphic. No, you don't. You just need to see, look, it's kind of obvious. This thing, ABC is transitive. It's just transitive. So you need to see which statement is false. It would be
So we're just doing 1 through 3
because the
You just keep going. You do it. Just do all of them. Just keep going.
Are similar. No, they're actually the same. If it's just
So then it would be B, right?
No.
So it's congruent. Triangle ABC and ABC are
It's saying which one is false.
Oh.
It would be C. Because if I move this calculator over here, does it change its size?
Yeah.
No. So it's basically asking what which statement is false. Since it's the same size.
Let's see. Can you get into the game, please? Yeah. Let's use this first. That way I'm not. This column, get into the game. Cameron, get into the game. Get into the game. Get into the game. Look at this. Have you drawn the chart?
Number 4.
Okay, sure. So this chart is A, B. 4? Is A, B.
No.
This
No.
is A, C.
Yeah.
It's B.
False. There.
I was just
Look at me. Get into Kahoot. Go. Do that now. I should have more than. There we go, Nate. You gonna get in for Dakota? Thank you. 26, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6. I feel like I should have more players. I should have 22. As soon as Dakota's in, it'll be 22 maybe. A baby bumblebee.
number 6. We're on number 5.
Here's,
Number 5.
thank you, Maddie.
Because 3.1
We are about to do question number 1 on the Kahoot. And here it goes. All right.
I'm in second place and I just really went for you. What?
Stop. Close your Chromebook halfway. Good. Here's the deal. I know you said, oh, I just have to translate it over and over. Nope, doesn't work. Look at the letters. B, D, B, D. This takes a reflection and then a translation.
I know.
You must look at the letters on it. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, keep going.
I can't even get it.
So square. Oh, this is square. It would be 36. Because since it's 3D.
That's 100 plus 8 minus 80, which is 20. 10 to the power of 2 is 100.
8 to the power of 2.
8 to the power of 2. Oh, I thought it was 8.
Yeah, 6.
Which one are you more confident in?
Oh, because you were thinking 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is.
Look at it. My calculator.
Here, you're choosing the word you don't know.
So 3.14 times 2.75
Identical things are identical.
2.75
Yes.
times 2.75. 3 radiuses, right? So what do we do with
Similar aren't always
No?
No, look, it's only 20.
It's still in the Oh, I
You have number
thought
two?
it was
Do
Yeah.
you guys have number 2 done?
Yeah.
Number 2?
Times hard. Times hard.
Here we go. We're going to do number 2. We're going to do 2. Nice.
Nate, how come always get to it right? I just clicked. Two thousand pounds.
Please keep working. I'm going to talk to the camera. Okay. So, actually, Eli, you cool with that one? So, this is Pythagorean theorem. To find this, first off, it has to be a 90-degree angle right here to work. I square it.
Yeah.
Is this 169? No, it's way too big. Take the square root.
10 times 10.
This is 13. That's how the Pythagorean theorem works. You still come after school, that's fine, but that's how it works.
Wait.
Questions on 3. Any questions on 3?
10 to the power of 2 is 100. And it, since it's leg and hypotenuse, it has to be leg to be added. So that's subtraction. So it's 100 minus 64. And that's 36.
Okay.
I said that?
Yeah, I said it would be square subtracting the same number.
Marky.
And on number 6, it's number 6. And then you will reflect your graph. No, it's not. Yes. No. B. B. A.
We're on 8.
You think A and C is the same as X? What did you say for 6?
Is that the same length as that? You find
What?
Yeah, you gotta subtract.
A and C is the same.
Question 3? Question 3?
It reflects like that. It'd be like this.
No, if that's because it's the same like A and B, it's the same as this has A and B. No, it's C.
Isn't it 10 times 10 times 10?
Do you have a question? Oh, I thought you had a question. Oh. Do you have a question?
No, but isn't it like 3.14
I'm
times?
doing 3.
No, it's 2.75. A and C is also the same as Z.
Square, square.
A and B is not the same as
A and C.
Lorena, let me do number 3 and then we'll go on.
Yeah, but that's not an option.
Okay, so
3.
Oh, I don't see that either.
3. 3.
C.
No.
Oh, let's go.
I had to do it first.
Oh, 11?
Close your Chromebook halfway. Please do not speak. Which statement is false? If I have a triangle and I move it, are the two sides, corresponding sides, still the same? Is AB the same as AB?
Yes.
Yeah. If I have a triangle and I move it, are the two triangles congruent?
Yes.
Yes. If I have a triangle and I move it, are the two triangles similar?
Yeah.
Yes. Similar, first off, here are two triangles, I move them, they're congruent. These are similar triangles. Similar means that it got bigger or smaller, but these are also similar triangles. So congruent and similar are very similar. Similar though is when I zoom in or out. But even if I don't zoom in or out, the two triangles are still similar. And then the question is AB, is this the same as that? No. The different sides aren't going to be the same. So it's got to be D. D is the one that's incorrect. Okay, keep going.
I think it's all figured that out.
Alright, so I'm on 7.
Yeah, I could have gotten that.
Verse 7.
First off,
7 is D.
let's give you a piece of graphic, plot the points, label it, and then look at it. I'm going to give you a piece of graphic.
9.
No, we're on 8.
Cameron, you want some graphic? I mean, a little piece. Make a coordinate system, plot it, and label it A, B, C, and then look at it. Good. Diagram here. Plot it, or make a triangle, and then do this diagram.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing.
You guys ready on 4? 4? Good with 4? Good with 4? You good with 4, Maddie? No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you just draw them.
Sure.
Good, ready on 4? Yeah. We got 4? 4.
I don't know about that.
Oh, we're doing number 4.
Wow. 4. Change. See if you can maintain.
That doesn't work.
My number's slow.
Leaderboard, Mark. Get on the leaderboard. Right behind mine.
I'm going to talk to you. Here we go. Hey, so here's the deal. Pythagorean theorem only works for right angles. It's not a right angle, Pythagorean won't work.
What did you say? It's B for number 9?
Yes.
No.
You would do square after.
You still find the square root. No matter what, if you're finding the missing leg or the hypotenuse,
But you also have to square root it.
hypotenuse, you gotta square.
9 is there.
45 squared.
Square root it?
9 times 9 is 81.
9 times 5 is 45.
But where did you get the 5?
Yeah, you're going to miss
I got
the games,
45.
but you're sure. Like, I'm not going to wait for you to come back. I'll do this one right now, then maybe there'll be time. Number 5.
I have it.
Number 5.
I got Michael messed up. No, Michael!
Behind me?
Please mess up.
Hey, but did you get it right? Go and go. 2. Close your computers halfway. Good. See, this is volume of the cylinder. Volume of a cylinder, you do, Nate? Yep. When I turn away, you still focus on me. Volume is pi r r h. That's a cylinder. How do I turn it into a cone? Mike?
Divided by 3.
Divided by 3. how do I turn it into a sphere?
Oh.
4 r. How do I turn it into a hemisphere? Divided by 2. All that stuff needs to be in your brain. Okay. Did anybody get it? Well, there's not a rounding issue here. What was the answer?
D. It was D.
D?
They-
Okay.
Either way, they could have moved the decimal over.
All right. Hey.
I forgot to do the radius twice, so I just did pi times radius times height.
Okay, and did that match up with one of these answers?
Yeah, I matched up with B.
So I intentionally set it up to kind of trick you.
Yeah.
Mr. Barr, so mean. Yes.
I did pi times height times rate.
Yep. And that'll mess you up. So you just got to be really cautious and know your equations. Keep going. We'll go on to number 6 when Ava gets back.
Oh, that's number 9 is I still don't get number 9 is D.
Because I'm gonna square square.
It's 36 plus
Right.
9.
You want some graph paper?
Yeah.
36 plus 9 is 45, but you don't stop.
Oh, yeah. Square root.
The square root of 45 gives you
Exactly. Look at your answer.
it's
So let's look at what is the long?
Yes.
Are you sure you have to square root?
AC?
After everything.
I think AC.
Trust me, I swear.
This
This is the one that is this
Yeah, this is one of those.
Sure.
Yes, it's
Around.
Right triangle
Yes.
coordinates.
we need graph paper for the 10.
No.
Yeah. So I'm talking about that. Let's go. Let's see.
We need graph paper.
AB.
It's C.
AB.
Huh?
I think I remember.
Let's go.
AC is X.
And you know how
He's just
to
rotating.
AB is X.
Oh, I have one.
Oh, wait. Well, he's trying to.
Hey, you want some graph paper? Here. What?
Yeah.
Have you plotted it? Looked at it? Have to go back, plot it, look at it, maybe it's really obvious.
It's a rectangle.
I told you. Oh, I got it. How did you do that?
I plotted it.
No, but it's rotated 180 degrees. So you rotate it.
Okay.
180 degrees.
I don't think so.
1, 2. So that's then 1, 2,
And then
negative 3, 1.
really go
6, negative
I don't think you're doing it.
3, negative 4.
Oh, you're squared. Yeah, it's squared.
Negative 4.
I don't think you're doing it right.
And
Oh, he says a right triangle. Oh, see.
negative 5, 1, negative 5.
And then, okay,
Okay. I
rotate it 180 degrees.
This is the new So it would now be what would this be? This is the new triangle. I did it right.
Number 6.
Oh, no.
Shame.
Dang it, I gotta slow down like it's 0.
Yes!
Yes! Thank you! I'm on the leaderboard, everyone. Don't worry. I'm on the leaderboard. I'm on the leaderboard. Dude, the first thing, I've used like 1 second left. And then I went
4 of you got this wrong, so close the Chromebooks. First off, I'm going to just match things up. This short side, BC, well, that's Y, right? And the long side, AC, well, that matches up with, looks like X. And then Z, so this is how it matches up. And so AB is Z. AB, just like, I must have messed it up.
No, yeah. Look at.
It's
C,
this-
X,
these-
C, A, and Z. C, A, Z.
How about that? So AB is Z, no. AC is X, no. AB is X,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, I know.
So you just gotta match up the sides and figure out which ones match. Good, keep going, number 7. Are you guys ready for 7?
Yeah. Easy clap.
Yes?
Yes.
Let's do
I
7.
mean, some people said that they weren't.
Oh, that's just a Pythagorean theorem.
It's easy.
Here we go. 7, 7, 7.
I put
Fifth place. I'm on the leaderboard. Yes.
How do I do this? This is square, square,
subtract.
subtract. I'm looking for a small side, so I square it. 100 minus 64 is 36.
Then
Is
square
this
root 36.
square root the 36,
Yeah.
which takes me down to a 6. Okay. Okay.
Then I can so first, then I can review that. Should it just be what's questions? I'm gonna have 6.
Yep. That's,
Then 7.
yeah. Looks good. Reflection on
But
six.
I put C.
Got it.
7. You put D. Oh, I just gave my son. No, no, you put C. Alright, now we just put C.
It's a triangle.
Okay, so
It's a square, square.
wait, and then it's a where square at. I have a question.
Yes.
Down. You didn't even finish that.
Oh, yeah. Remember you have to count. Like,
That's not right. Then what is it?
look at it. Let me just do I remember doing this. I remember.
Yeah, that's what I did.
That's not what you do though.
Oh
yeah, and then using
Well, I was doing that instead of
Yeah.
I said I was doing it wrong.
Yes.
So, yeah, or
You're just, you're doing what
that's not, yeah, right now, but not yet. You didn't do what you're supposed to do. Okay. And then the origin and translate down to units and left 2 units. Down. That's 6.6. That's an answer.
No.
1.97.
Okay, so then go down. That's A. What chain? You still holding my lead?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm in fit. I'm on the leaderboard.
What are we doing? What's our next slide?
Eight.
Ready
Are
for
you
8?
still, are you on number 11?
Do it. Ready for 8? Or need help? On 8.
You're on number 11. Well, you did the thing on your, look at, see? So it's A, B, C. You rotate 180 degrees, 90, 180, shot in those points, and then you go down 2 and left 2.
So BC.
I think it's someone in front of me. I don't know. I don't measure the angle ABC. Because right now that figure a lot. So
B. D. Because it's 90 degrees. It makes a perfect square.
If you realize
These are the points. So this is 10, and then this is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 10 times 7 is 100. 100 minus 49 is 51 squared.
451 is 7.14. I didn't look it up though.
Yes, you did.
What do you mean? I think we need graphics. Plus 1 plus 2. So, it's 8.60.
Plus 1.
Yeah.
Good, so look at the game we're talking about. It's talking about A, B, C. A, B, C.
No, you couldn't.
I got these.
And when you rotate it,
Here. Where did the triangle go?
oh, listen, everybody. You're confusing me too, Paula.
Wait,
You're gonna do 8. Here we go, number 8. 8. Number 9. We're doing 9.
Right now?
Right now.
Oh, no.
So 60.
Number 9.
Yep.
Still loading.
You guys keep going. I'm just going to do this for the live stream.
It's 12.2.
It's 5.
Right.
It's
Find the distance between the points.
what'd you choose? Wait, no, we got the singular.
So it's a Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to do a square, add them together.
No, get 100 minus.
So this is 9 plus
I know, but
36.
you minus 149.
If I take the square root of that, I get something around 6.7.
The second one.
Because I know that's right now. So it would be 12.1. 12.21.
Yes.
Oh, number 12 is
Number 10.
Are you sure about that?
It's talking about angle A.
1 power
Yeah, A, B, C. Where's angle A? We've got 3 angles.
It would be 1 times 1 is 1. It would be 1.7 times 1 is 7.
Point to the
It'd
3
be
angles.
1 plus.
1.
No, I know how to.
It's talking about one thing. It's talking about A, angle A, B, C. Which one is angle A? It's talking about one angle. Which one is angle A, B, C?
3.7 is good.
I did.
There are 3 angles there, right? It's talking about one of the angles. Which one is angle A, B, C?
3.8.
I know, I understand.
I'm really confused.
I understand.
Like, how do you solve it?
How many angles? How many angles can we try?
1.9 seconds.
How do you get that?
And I got right twice.
Wait, how do
Okay,
you
let me just
Which
one
one?
times
So
one
it's
is 1, obviously. So then you write 1 down, and then you plus sign because it's a leg. Huh? Yeah, it's not a leg and hypotenuse, which is subtract. So you add, so you put a 1, and then you put an addition symbol.
that one
And
right
then
there, that's angle A, B, C.
1.7.
Got it. And what's
And
the
then
next
you
one?
put the button that square. Power of 2. Or you could just do 1.7 times 1.7.
Okay, I got it.
Look at the angle.
Look at 1.7 times 1.7 is good, so there's no reason not to get that.
Number 10? We're doing 10.
So, I got it cross. And then 2.89. So then 1 plus 2.9 is 3.9. And then split.
1 plus. Why would you add 1?
Either 7.
So 1 plus.
All that 1 times 2 is 1.
2. Close your Chromebooks. If I plot this triangle, which hopefully you did, if you don't understand what's going on, you plot it. I get that triangle. It's made up of 3 angles. You have an angle there, there, and there. But it's talking about what is the measure of angle A, B, C. A, B, C, that's this angle right here. And what is the measure of that angle? 90. And when I rotate it, what is it?
90.
And if I flip it around, what is it?
90.
It's 90 degrees.
Yeah, because you do the entire thing. It's just that.
Open it up. Keep going.
See if you get it right, right? Did you get it right? And then what do we do?
Number 13 is here.
It's hard.
You just do 3 plus 1 4
No, you do 3 plus 1
times
4.
3.5.
No. It's 5.5 times 5.5.
No.
That's what you did last time.
Yeah, but I'm doing it right.
I was just kidding.
It would be
Yep.
One or no other.
about me to 10.
It would be D.
No, it would be C.
You do tank 3 and tank 1. No, you do tank 3. I'll do tank 5 and tank 4 and tank 1. I'm in tank 4 and tank 1.
All right. What are we on, 11?
Pause my calculator. What?
You did a big break time?
How does that happen? Wait, how do you, where's the height now?
I could never lose.
No, you don't need the height.
I'm gonna break 65.41.6666. Bad. Oh no, actually I think it's fine. It's like
Put it out.
That's bad.
Nothing.
I'm 9. I'm 9.
it's 65.42.
Yeah.
So which one's the same?
Did you do both of them?
Wait, no. So,
And then for tank 2, right 65.42.
Are you sure?
Yep. Round it to the nearest 100.
How do you solve that?
You do 3.14. I'll do it. Times 5 times 5 times 12 divided by 3. 314. Is that the same thing?
Yes, yes.
So
11.
And 1 is wrong.
By my.
Oh.
Oh yeah!
3
I think I broke my calculator.
Round to the nearest hundredth. Those of you that put A, you didn't round correctly. On the final exam, you will get it wrong if you don't round correctly.
Yes. So.
Okay. Number 12.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah, cash money.
Give money,
Okay, Pythagorean theorem again.
Make something that's right.
Okay, hey, we're gonna just do it. 12.
Wait,
All right,
let's go.
Let's go, gamers.
I'll wait.
Go on.
2?
Yeah, I got one. I got
Cameron, are you done with all the coup? Are you done with the next question? Have you done the next? Have you done 13? 14, 15? Are you waiting for me?
No.
Are you can work on them now.
I don't know what I'm doing yet.
Okay. This is a square add. So let's put the answer in. Please continue to work quietly. Please, thank you, Mike. If you're done, you can work on the homework. I'm going to explain to the live stream what's going on here. It's a square add. So 1 squared plus 1.7 squared. Please don't talk. When I square this again, 1.7 squared is
2.89.
perfect. Adding them together, I get 3.89. Taking the square root of that, I get something a little bit less than 2.
1.97.
That one it up?
Yep.
Cool. Thank you.
I said it was A. Look. Why would I say it's D? 12. A. No way small.
All right, we're going to do 13.
My answers are always wrong. Yeah. Except for the one that we just did. It's C. Number B is 15.
I'm circling 14. Wait, what?
14 is wait, no, wait. 15 is B. 15 is B.
Ready? Time. It's a cylinder. Pi r r h. Pi radius is 3.5, 3.5, 5.5, and then was there a rounding issue?
No.
Which one is it?
It was 2.11. It was 211.55, but there was a 7 behind it, so it became C.
Okay, got it. 14.
Get it wrong.
I got it.
0 deck.
I didn't do it
because they're right. I'm like,
1, 2. Cylinder with a radius of 5. So this is pi 5, 5, 4. So that's 20. This is 100 pi. How much you? I'm going to skip the hemisphere for now. A cone with a radius of 5 and a height of 12. 5, 5, 12, divided by 3. That's 100 pi also. So it's got to be 1 and 3, I think. Was that the answer?
Yeah. So you said
And our last one right here.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
What do you mean? Unless it's a mini me.
It's a binder.
That's unwrong, so
Iraq, yeah. It's like somewhere around there. The battle of my country. It's this one. And there's a state or something.
I think you need to do a little bit of study.